Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you wondering if you can actually make real money while playing Monopoly Go? Let's break down how it works and what's possibly realistically. Playing the game normally gives you dice, sticker packs, and cards. But the trick is what you do with the duplicate cards. Some players will sell these duplicate cards on third party websites. I'm not endorsing this, but it's happening. Let me show you how it works. People list duplicate or rare cards for sale and buyers pay depending on demand. Prices go up for rare sticker sets, especially during events. Another method, promo offers. Platforms like Swagbucks have paid users to reach milestones in Monopoly Go, like reaching board 100. So yes, there are real ways to earn from Monopoly Go, but mostly through card trading or external promotions. In-game, there are no option from the developers. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more real tips.